Rupali Industries has brought its new product, B.nova Smart Plus UF technology with Alkaline plus De-Fluoride technology, which is 6-stage purification system with 8-liter storage non-electric for home and office. UF technology developed by Bhabha Atomic Research Centre, Govt of India. Their main feature are 6-stage water purification, like Stage 1, 5-micron B.nova filter. Stage 2, DEFLORIDE technology developed by BARC Govt of India. Stage 3, 0.01 micron ultrafiltration membrane technology. Stage 4, limestone inline filter. Stage 5, silver activated carbon filter. Stage 6, active copper plus alkaline increases pH value of water. Salient features: fully automatic online storage water purifier. 6-stage of filtration, removes excess fluoride, storage tank capacity 8 liters, no electricity required, self-maintained and low maintenance. Alkaline, antioxidant and antibacterial. Active copper plus alkaline keeps pH control, make red blood cells, keep nerve cells healthy, support your immune system. Form collagen, a protein that helps make up your bones and tissues, protect cells from damage, absorb iron into your body, turn sugar into energy, helps in reducing acidity. There is much more, which gives complete protection to your family. Bring it to your home today. For more information, contact us.